Meet the TYPHON xFlex 4046EW Electric Wheel Scissor Lift, built to help professionals reach higher, work faster, and stay safer. Combine smooth electric power with professional lifting performance in one dependable machine. Whether you're installing lights, running electrical conduit, servicing HVAC systems, painting, installing signs, or maintaining industrial equipment, the xFlex 4046EW is built to keep your crew working efficiently from the ground up. When the job demands maximum reach, the xFlex 4046EW delivers. Its platform elevates to 40 feet, providing safe access for elevated work across warehouses, factories, and commercial buildings. With a safe working load of over 705 pounds, 2 operators can comfortably work with tools and materials. Need extra reach? Simply extend the 35.4-inch platform extension and access difficult work areas without repositioning the entire machine. Smooth hydraulic lifting completes the cycle in approximately 80 to 90 seconds, helping your crew stay productive. The compact platform measures just 91 inches long by 46 inches wide, allowing operators to work where larger lifts simply can't fit. Its zero inside turning radius makes navigation effortless in crowded warehouses and narrow corridors. Need to work on loading ramps? The xFlex confidently handles slopes up to 25%, maintaining stability while moving safely around the job site. Powered by a 24-volt electric drive system, the xFlex delivers dependable performance throughout the workday. Its heavy-duty battery pack provides approximately 6 to 8 hours of operation on a single charge. Recharge overnight in just 6 to 7 hours, and you're ready for another productive day. Integrated solid tires provide dependable traction and braking. The maintenance support rod makes servicing secure. The intelligent battery monitoring system quickly displays machine diagnostics. A large emergency stop button gives operators immediate control whenever needed. The intuitive control panel manages driving, steering, elevation, platform extension, and emergency functions. The XFL EX446ES isn't just another scissor lift, it's a productivity tool, a safer alternative to ladders, a dependable partner for maintenance professionals, an efficient solution for warehouses.